Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best recovery toe straps on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Rhino USA Recovery Toe Strap 30 feet x 3 inch. This green and black brute from Rhino USA is a good 30 feet long, meaning you'll be able to put plenty of distance between you and the jamoke you're hauling out of the muck for the 5th time today. These straps are 3 inches wide and are said to be lab tested to a breaking point of 31,518 pounds. Note that the working load limit of these, and most, straps is about 1/3 that amount. Triple reinforced loop straps mean you can swing off these things with wild abandon. Just make sure you're using an approved towing point, as the strength of these things mean there's a good chance to inflict damage, and gain YouTube infamy, before busting the rope. Various lengths are available, as are options which include useful shackles. A full 94% of over 1,600 reviewers gave this product 5 stars, providing some useful assurance for first-time buyers. Pros: strong like ox, natty carry bag, great reviews. Cons: says USA but seemingly made in China. Number 2. Our second best pick is AJ Tait 5393 12 feet x 2 inch toe strap. We're including this option in our list simply to demonstrate that sub-$10 toe straps do exist, not that it's ever a good idea to cheap out on safety. While it has garnered a 4+ star review based on a smallish sample size, your author is never comforted by vehicle supplies sold in blister packs as if they were a deck of playing cards. Most customers who took the time to leave feedback reported the metal hooks are not of great quality, an assertion one can make even by looking at these flat 2-dimensional pictures on your digital screen. More than one person reports that it is good for hauling out a stuck snowmobile or side-by-side. Given their lighter weight, this is not a wholly bad idea. Pros: good for recreational vehicles, very cheap. Cons: likely not the best for heavy chores, very cheap. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rocket Strap's 30 feet x 3 inch heavy-duty toe strap. With a name like Rocket Straps, you can be assured this product will come complete with appropriately aggressive colors and marketing. Right on cue, one finds a flat webbing dyed angry red and a shipping box featuring a snow-laden Land Cruiser. This strap is available in a single 30-foot size, as shown here. The seller says this toe strap is made from high-grade 100% polyester material, so your uncle who's stuck in the 1970s will feel comfortable using it on the trail. It is UV and weather resistant, meaning the harsh Moab sun shouldn't cause undue wear. Extremely flexible, it has heavy-duty reinforced looped ends to take the strain off of anchor points. Pros: good price, positive reviews, looks good. Cons: one size doesn't necessarily fit all. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Driver Recovery 30 feet x 4 inch heavy-duty toe or recovery strap. The only blue toe strap on this list is also the thickest, clocking in at a generous 4 inches wide. Proving that size isn't everything, the construction of this strap pegs its safe working load at just over 6,600 pounds, about 2 by 3 RDS, the capacity of most other toe straps on this list. Brake strength is also about 66% of nominal, measuring 20,000 pounds. Built to withstand extreme loads and temperatures, the industrial-grade webbing is said to be abrasion and weather-resistant to effectively resist rotting or tearing. This should increase the product's lifespan. Strap features 2 reinforced looped ends to withstand the high tension and wear that typically occurs at connection points. Pros: wide enough to eat lunch on, no one else will have a blue one. Cons: low weight restrictions. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Roofpack's Tow Strap 20 feet x 3-inch off-road recovery rope. This company makes all manner of items for lashing cargo to the roof of one's vehicle, so it will surprise no one they've dipped their toe into the tow strap game. The principles are similar, after all: build a lightweight but strong webbing that can keep things where you want them. Come to think of it, that's the ethos of mist underwear companies as well. Priced under $20, this 20-footer will help motorists and off-road gearheads tow and haul with the best of them. The straps are made of an 80 by 20 polyester or silk blend and at about 5 pounds, aren't overly light. A 15-ton brake strength and convenient storage bag are included at no charge. Pros: hauls 15 tons, 80 by 20 material blend, carrying case that you'll never use. Cons: Clevis sold separately. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.